guys, it's Melanie. I am joined today by my lovely assistant Penny, who is to my left here, and Mr. Kong in the background over here. And we are going to be sharing the fall Decocrated box with you guys. So I am very lucky. Decocrated does send me the box as PR in advance so that I can share it with you guys every season. Decocrated is a seasonal subscription box that is centered all around home decor. I really love getting this box, and quite honestly, if I didn't get it as PR, I think I would definitely purchase it myself. I like having things that are curated for me. Sure, you could go out and buy very similar pieces, you know, if you went to different stores and kind of pieced it all together, but this is very easy. And I also like that someone with like a professional eye for detail has kind of curated everything into one box, and there's like a theme to everything, and it just is very cohesive, and the stuff looks great in my house. I have to say that for me personally, their fall and their winter boxes, because I did receive both last year for the first time, are my favorite. So I am so excited about this fall box. I have not looked at anything yet. The only thing that I have done is cut all of the tape and took out all of the extra like fluff boxes in there that act as buffers so that everything stays nice and secure during shipping. I will, by the way, put the link for Decocrated down below, and then there's also a discount for you guys if you're interested. All the information will be in the description box. I just really kind of want to get to the unboxing to show you guys what is in here. So the box is pretty large. Let me cover up my address here. There we go. All right, I'm gonna set it over here, and we're gonna start going through this. I'm excited. Okay, so every season they work with an artist to create these little postcards that you can put into. There is a, I believe this is still going on, but when you first order your box, they send you this little frame that has a little clip at the top. And each season you can clip in these little artwork pieces here that they provide for you. I actually specifically bought a frame actually just yesterday at TJ Maxx to be able to put these in, because I gave the frame to Stella. So she uses it to display the artwork in her room. But this one is, it just says spooky on one side and then hey there pumpkin on the other. I really like this hey there pumpkin. So I bought a really nice kind of simple gold frame to be able to put these in every single season. I just think they're really neat and they're a very unique touch. So love that. And then you do get your booklet that shows everything in here. So I'm not looking too hard, but it kind of runs you through everything. They also give you ideas on how to display everything, which is kind of nice because, again, if you're like me and you don't have a natural eye for detail, it's kind of nice to see how to pair the different pieces in a vignette. So there's lots of great ideas in here. They also have their Instagram, obviously, full of great ideas. And then also I think they have a Facebook page as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the big box on top here. And all I did was cut the tape on all these. Oh, cool. I see these all the time at Hobby Lobby. These really cool baskets. This one's really nice. I like that it's round. Normally I see them in the rectangular shape, so this is really cool. Oh, I like this. I'm gonna have to find, where would I put this? You know, where I would put it is in Penny. In my family room, I have a, we have really nice built-ins, and there's a lot of shelves and stuff, so I could totally put this on one of the shelves, kind of like in the background. You will be seeing all of these pieces because as soon as I decorate for fall, I'm gonna be doing another home tour. I'm really excited because we are actually having the remainder of the painting in the downstairs and then upstairs into the hallway done I think it's the second week in September. So as soon as that painting is done, I'm gonna decorate for fall and I'm gonna give you guys a tour. I'm really pumped. By the way, I landed on Benjamin Moore Revere pewter, and then the ceilings are just ceiling white, I guess. You cannot have this. Penny was like, I will take that. And you cannot have this either. Okay. Really, really like that. I'm excited to decorate with that for fall because I do like rustic touches. Not crazy rustic, like as in the whole farmhouse kind of feel, but I think that will be really easy to play up. What is this? Oh, that's so cute. So, it's this little thing that says fall. And the little tablets are in here to put in. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Come on. Ooh, these are nice. These are metal. I have seen this before and have wanted it. Oh my God, so cool. Okay, so I'm assuming there's, oh gosh, it's, oh, maybe I should have opened all of this stuff. So this is just a little paper insert that's in here, and then these, they're metal, they're like tin. You slide these in here and you can spell different things. And I am gonna look in the booklet real quick because I wanna see what they have. I can't really open the letters. I just cut all of my nails off. I'm in the middle of wedding season still, so I had to cut them off. Where is, okay. Fall is one of the little sayings in there. No, why are you chewing on everything? Stop it. Come on now. Oh shoot, and I just totally saw what else is in here. Darn it. I wanted to be surprised. By the way, they also show some of the pieces that they put in last year's box, and that is awesome because last year's fall box was so cool. That pumpkin that they sent last year, I loved it. So what else? Home and boo. So those are the other like letter combinations that they gave you. The boo's really cute too. It's got an exclamation point they put with it. That's super cute. That is awesome. So this is actually really cool. I like this a lot. We are definitely going to use this. Honestly, I think that I will probably put the fall in there. It's my favorite. Love that. All right, let's keep going. What's in here? Where did I open it? Okay, I opened it up here. Ooh, I think I saw what this was in the booklet. I'm excited about this. Oh, it's really nice. Oh, it's really nice. I love this. This is gonna look wonderful in my kitchen. Oh, I really like this a lot. Okay, so it's double-sided. It's this little tourney thing. What would you call this besides a tourney thing? So one side says, welcome to our home, which would actually be kind of nice if I was putting it in my entryway here. The other one says, gather here with grateful hearts. I love that this is double-sided because this is perfect for my kitchen, for my huge island that I have in there. So I can totally like, yeah, I could do either side in there, and that's really cool. Oh, I like this. I think this is really cool. I like that a lot. So far, so good. What are you doing, my friend? No. Penny, no. Come on now. You're not being helpful. Be helpful. Oh, look at this cool succulent. All right, this is the next box. It is this metal succulent. Don't you chew on that. No, you dare. I really like this. That's so neat. I am gonna put this in my filming room because I think it's gonna look fantastic in there. But I haven't painted in there yet, so I'll probably wait until I paint. But this is really neat. I love this color. It's a really nice kind of sage green, but it has quite a bit of teal in it as well. And then there's a little bit of like a gold brushed accent. That's really nice. I am one of a kind. I was handcrafted by a master artisan, therefore I will have subtle variations and blemishes. Please don't think any less of me because my imperfections make me unique. Oh, that's cool. I really do like that they focus a lot on handcrafted products in these boxes. I think that's really neat. So that I am a fan of also. So far, nothing in this box that has me thinking, I don't like that. The summer box, that hello little sign that you can hang jewelry and stuff from. I ended up giving that to Stella because that really wasn't my style, but Stella's really enjoying it, so it wasn't even like a total loss. And this is really cool. I was actually looking at one of these at Pier 1 the other day, and it was pretty expensive. I see these a lot when I'm at weddings. Caterers will use them to, like, you know, bump up trays of food a little bit higher or just make it a little bit more decorative. I really like this, and this looks great with the decor that I have in the kitchen. So I'm really looking forward to using this in the kitchen. This is super neat, you guys. What are you doing? Stop it. Penny, come on now. What does this one say? I am made from solid natural wood. My knots, color variations, and slight imperfections come from Mother Nature. I really like this. Penny, oh jeez, there you go. Like this one a lot. Again, nothing that I'm not in love with yet. All right, 2 more. I know what these are, and I get really excited about their pillow covers. So this go around, there are 2, and one of them is, let's see, these are pillow covers, right? Am I making this up? Because last time I thought the pillow covers they were actually napkins. All right, well, let's get them out of here. Penny, stop it. These usually have zippers. Yep, there's a zipper. Okay, so cushion cover number 1, and these are really nice and thick. These are really heavy duty, guys. And I love this one. This one's gonna be so beautiful in this room because I use this color a lot in here. The front of this one has a pumpkin with some succulents in it. So they seem to have gone for a very neutral fall theme this year. Like, there's not a lot of like orange and brown or anything like that. There's definitely a different color palette this year, and I like it. I like it a lot. So here is the front of the cushion. I'll have to steam this one just a little bit. It got a little wrinkly in there. I really do like that, but honestly, I actually like the back of this even better. That's a really nice throw cushion. Well, I'm gonna have to put a cushion in there, but I like the cover a lot. So I'm gonna have to head to IKEA and grab a couple more pillows for these. And then let's check out what is in the last box. I just made the biggest mess here. Oh, cute. It's another little sign. So this one says, pumpkin sweets and spooks and treats. And then the other one says, thankful. So this is kind of a nice thing to just like put in your kitchen, like on the windowsill or something like that. So I would have to say, if I had to pick like a least favorite out of everything here, this would probably be my least favorite. But if I had to pick a favorite, I think it might actually have to be this, because I was totally just looking at it at Pier 1, so I'm glad I didn't buy it. I would have probably returned it because I'm tacky like that. It's very similar to this one. So yeah, this is probably my favorite, followed by this being like a close second favorite, if you will. So anyway, oh my gosh, I love everything. This is such a great box. Penny, what did you think of this box? Come here. Come here, Penny. Oh, goodness. Come here. I'm sure hello. After all of this, you have to say hello. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. I'm little Panina Panana. Little Panina Panana. You guys, look how big she's getting. She is, I was thinking she was gonna be like this petite little thing, but she's like, she is substantial. You are substantial. Not chubby. You're substantial. I know. We are best friends. We are. She's so cute. I know. I love to look into your eyes too. Oh, yes. It's exhausting being you, isn't it? I'm gonna stick you in this box. That's what I'm gonna do. She does not like that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me for this unboxing today. It's a little something different. Instead of something home fragrance related, I thought I would do this today. Again, I will put all the information for the Decocrated box down below, as well as a discount code for if you're new to Decocrated and this is your first time buying the box, you can use the discount code. It is a seasonal box. Obviously, you can cancel it at any point. I think it's a really great one, especially if you're a little bit clueless about decorating. And there's really nice stuff that, I mean, I'm actually really excited to get out last year's fall stuff to put out again this year. So you'll be seeing the stuff from last year in my home tour as well once we get the painting finished out here. So thanks so much for taking, oh, please don't eat that. Oh, God. Please don't. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch. I'm gonna go take care of my pug, and I'll see you guys in the next video.